I regret this immediately, but you need to see it. Look, a broken rice cooker like this is usually trash, but if you know this trick, you can actually make money from something this useless. Seriously, don't underestimate stuff like this. Everyone throws it away, but only a few people know how to turn it into profit. If you want, this could be your next moneymaker. Hit like, smash subscribe, so you don't miss the next crazy trick. Alright, here's the rice cooker we need. It's broken, but that's exactly where the fun begins. Now we remove all the screws on the bottom. Once they're out, just lift the bottom cover gently. Remove this screw as well, because if you don't, this part won't come off. Okay, this is the part we need, the heating element. This is the main component that produces heat inside the rice cooker. It's shaped like a wide metal plate with heating tracks inside. This component still works steadily when electricity flows through it, which is why it's the most important part for us to take. Also pay attention to the connecting wires. These must be reinstalled neatly and safely later. In short, this heating element is the main heat source we're going to use. Prepare the switch, then make a hole in the mount according to its size. Mark it first, then create a small, tight opening so the switch fits firmly. Now, we place the heating element on top of this mount. Make sure the plate sits perfectly flat, so the heat spreads evenly later. Press it slightly until it fits snugly in place. This mount is very important because it keeps the heating element stable and secure during use. Now connect the wires like this. Make sure each end goes into the correct terminal and is tightened properly so the current flows safely. Now we can test our electric stove. Before using it, check every part with the test pen first. Make sure there's no electrical leakage, no metal parts giving a shock, and all wires are secured properly. If the test pen shows it's safe, then we can turn it on to test the heating. Now let's try boiling water. Pour a bit of water into a metal container and place it on the heater. Watch if the temperature rises and small bubbles start to form. If the water reaches a boil, it means the setup is working properly. And it works! Scrap items like this, when rebuilt properly, can become useful tools and can even make you money. If you enjoy projects like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so I can keep creating more content.